Hi guys, welcome to Dingo's Kitchen. Today's recipe comes straight out of my own nan's cookbook. Nuts and bolts is a recipe she would make every year at Christmas. It's a favourite of mine and I'm sure it will become a favourite of yours too. Thanks for watching. Okay, to make today's recipe guys, all we need is some olive oil, some French onion soup mix, some unsalted mixed nuts, 3 cups of Nutri-Grain breakfast cereal, and some curry powder. Okay, now into a large mixing bowl, take our 3 cups of Nutri-Grain cereal. We're going to add 2 cups, two 150 gram packets of unsalted mixed nuts, our soup mix, our 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and our 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Now with clean hands guys, just give that a quick mix through, making sure everything gets coated. And now that's ready for the oven. Now onto an oven tray guys, place some baking paper. Take our nuts and bolts mix, scatter it out over the tray like that. Now placing into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Take it out after 5, give it another quick little mix around, put it back in the oven, take it out again after 5 minutes, leave it on the bench to cool. Okay guys, these have been in the oven for 5 minutes now. As you can see, my nuts are toasting quite nicely, which is what I'm after. Place this in for another 5 minutes and then it should be ready. Okay, our nuts and bolts have been cooking for 10 minutes now. All that's left is to leave them on the counter to cool down. Okay guys, when it comes to serving this absolutely delicious snack food, just take what you need into a serving bowl, place it on the table, people can help themselves. Anything that's left over, just place into an airtight container you can put up into the cupboard and it can keep up there for months. There you go guys, that's my nan's recipe for nuts and bolts. If you like this recipe, please make sure you hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. See you later.